Hey YouTube, we have a beautiful Microsoft Surface laptop here, which is actually in like new condition. I'm pretty sure it is kind of brand new, but we have an issue here. And the issue is our battery. As you can see, at 0%. And if you open up the Microsoft Surface diagnostic tool, click on the battery, look what we got here. The battery is battery cycles 0, current charge 0, power state charged. So this battery is basically brand new, was never cycled. This computer was left alone and not touched for like at least a year, probably a year and a half, maybe even 2 years. So the battery is completely shut. And what we gonna try to accomplish here is to get that battery operational. And this is the tool we're gonna be using. Laptop Battery Analyzer, NLBA1. Okay, here's our battery. We have all the information actually on the battery connector itself. So there are 5 pins for the positive terminal. There's a data pin, we have clock pin, we have detect, and a negative terminal. So, and this is the way we're gonna connect our tool. As you can see here, this is going to be, the first one is going to be the positive terminal. The second terminal is clock, 4 of data. I mean third, sorry. And the fourth is going to be detect pin and a negative terminal. So that's how you need to wire them. And I used one of these included connectors. It doesn't really fit properly, but it's, I would say it's good enough. This is how we're going to position this. And I'm probably going to be holding it in place. While connected to the tool. Here's the voltage on the first cell, 2.86. Okay. Here we have voltage on the second cell. All right. And this is the voltage on the last cell. So they are a little bit disbalanced now, but they are under 3 volts. So let's see if the tool is actually going to let us unlock this battery. Okay, we have our battery analyzer tool connected. We have the battery lane here, and we have our program pulled up. And as I said, I'm going to be holding this connector to the battery terminal with one hand and operating the mouse with another hand. So let me try and see this, if we can get this accomplished. Okay, I have the battery connected. So let me start reading. Nothing happens. So let's power on the battery. And we get in some reading here. As you can see, the battery is locked. It's showing me the voltage I was measuring on cells. So power it off, stop reading. Okay, let's go ahead and try to reset this battery. Okay, let's power it on. Okay, next. Next. Okay, unseal. Okay, so I think this is what we're looking at. Surface cell under voltage detected, so we need to clear that. I have a feeling that the voltage is not enough. Power off, end the process. Going back here, start reading. Let's power it on. So yeah, we under 3 volts. So let me charge these cells and see if this is gonna fix this our problem. Okay, battery should be charged to about 3.2 volts each cell. Okay, so let's go ahead and try to reset it. Okay, see, this is cleared now. Okay, seal it up. Okay, this is cleared off now. Powered off. Tap these. Unlocked. Okay, battery is back into the computer, connected, and we have our amp meter. As you can see, it's pulling the pretty good amperage. Let's start this thing up. Jumps up. Okay. Let's check it out what we have here. And it's already at 4%, as you can see. 4%. And let's open up our surface diagnostics. Go to the battery information, charging. As you can see here, battery cycle 0, and it is charging pretty good. So this is what we have. Thank you very much for this tool. This is beautiful. This just saved this beautiful battery. It has 0 load cycles. It's a keeper. Thank you very much for watching. I'll add the link to this tool to the bottom of my video. Thank you very much for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe and hit that thumbs up button to help me grow my channel. And have a lovely day, guys. Bye.